নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল মাষ্টাৰ গণেশ এডুকেশ্যনলৈ। আজি মই ইংলিছ মিডিয়ামৰ ছ'চিয়েল ছায়েন্সৰ চেপ্টাৰ 1ৰ পাৰ্চন অফ বেংগল 1905-1911 AD এণ্ড স্বদেশী মুভমেণ্টৰ MCQ অহা 2024 বৰ্ষত এনেকুৱা MCQ আহিব পাৰে। ইংলিছ মিডিয়ামত তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাবা শেষলৈকে। তাৰপিছত এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই প্লিজ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা আৰু কমেণ্টত কিবা থাকিলে কমেণ্ট বক্সত মোক মেছেজ দিব পাৰিবা। এতিয়া এনেকুৱা কুৱেশ্যন আহিব। 1 নম্বৰ, the outbreak of COP mutiny was in 1857. এনচাৰটো হ'ব the British government introduced regulating act in 1773 AD. The Allahabad Treaty was signed in 1765 AD. The Allahabad 4 number. The Allahabad Treaty was signed between the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam and Robert Clive. 5 number. The British government created the state of Assam on 7 February 1874. 6 number. The post of Chief Commissioner for the state of Assam was created in 1874. 7 number. The first Chief Commissioner of Assam was R.H. Kittings. 8 number. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed on 24 February 1826. And next question, the region of Kasar came under the British Empire in 1832. The region of Khasi Hills came under the British Emperor in 1833. 11 number. The region of Jaintia Hills came under the British Emperor in 1835. 12 number. The province of Signifo came under the British Emperor 1843. Singphu. 13. The province of Motok and Sadia came under the British Empire in 1839. The province of Khanti came under the British Empire in 1843. 15. The area of Angami Hills came under the British Empire in 1854. 16. The area of Bengal in 1874 was 253,000 square miles. 17. The British government on 1st September 1905 declared officially that the partition of Bengal would be implemented on 18 October. 18. The female magazine of Suprabhat was edited by Kumundani Mishra. 19. The magazine of Bande Mataram was edited by Aravinda Ghosh. 20. The play of Palasir Prachita was written by Hirot Prasad. 21. The play of Sirajuddaulah and Mir Qasim was written by Girish Ghosh. 22. Dash composed 20 numbers of patriotic song on Swadeshi movement Rabindranath Tagore. 23. Dash wrote the famous article Bhai Bhai Ek Thai on the background of Swadeshi movement Rabindranath Tagore. 24. Name the University of Calcutta as the house of slaves. Satish Chandra Mukherjee. Satish Chandra Mukherjee, the editor of the Dawn. The National Council Jatiya Shiksha Parishad was formed on 11th March 1906 under the leadership Ras Bihari Bosu. এতিয়া তোমালোকে ইংলিছ মিডিয়াম আৰু আছাম মিডিয়ামৰ এনেকৈ MCQ মই অহা 2024 বৰ্ষৰ হাইস্কুল শিক্ষান্ত পৰীক্ষাত MCQ এনেকুৱা টাইপ কুৱেশ্যন আহিব। তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাবা। এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই প্লিজ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু মই আৰু তেনেকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন টাইপ এনচাৰো দি থাকিম। ধন্যবাদ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল।